Hi everyone, I'm Tanya from The Happy Body. I love this dish, I must be honest, it's quite delicious. So all I've done is I've taken I've chopped up a whole ton of vegetables in this tray. And then all you need is some creme fraiche, so just a standard container of creme fraiche, and 2 blocks or rounds of feta, and then you just chop those up. And then all I'm going to do is mix it up, put it in the container. Then I'm going to grate some cheese on top and pop it in the oven. Easy, quick, and divine. Okay, so I'm just crumbling the feta over it. Creme fraiche. Okay, I've preheated the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. So, and I have this mush, which I'm going to stick in here. And then I'm just going to grate some cheese over the top. Give this a try. Tell me how it goes. Voila. Okay, so I've just pulled it out of the oven. And that's what it looks like. So you can see it's nice and brown on top. Cassie, my child, you haven't even seen it yet. My child does not particularly, she's more a salad girl than a veggie girl. But what do you think of that? Magnifique.
Huh?
I think that's going to be delicious. And that's gone for about 45 minutes. Actually, just over 45 minutes. So it goes for a little while in the oven. And what I've remembered is that you don't want to do too much vegetable with your creme fraiche, or you need to buy 2 creme fraiches, but you want it to be quite moist. Please like the post. Please share it. I hope you enjoy it. We're going to sit down and eat it now.